Hi guys, Tony from GME here. Today I'm going to introduce to you one of the newest products to our range, known as the TX6160XO. The first thing you'll notice about this product is the nice rugged carry case that it's supplied in. It's waterproof and dustproof, making sure that all your gear is protected no matter what the environment. Opening the case up, you'll see the Blaze Orange radio and all of the accessories are contained within the case. This product's a little different to a normal handheld. Whilst it still can be used as a portable radio, the accessories supplied with the kit enable you to use the radio in your vehicle, similar to the way that a fixed mount radio works. This is great for people who don't want to do a permanent install in their vehicle. If you've got a company car, it's a loan vehicle, or you simply don't use your UHF often enough to justify having a permanent installation, this kit is the perfect solution for you. So starting with the radio, as you can see, the TX6160XO has got a really nice high visibility orange chassis, which means it's a lot easier to keep track of where your radio is and you're less likely to lose it in the bush. You've got a rotary power and volume control knob on the top of the radio. It's a 5-watt UHF-CB, so it's got great transmission distance, but it's also switchable, so you can turn the transmission power down to 1 watt for closer range communication, which will give you extended operating time. In regard to the operating time, this radio's got a 2600 milliamp hour battery, which will give you up to 30 hours of operation, so really long battery life on this product. The radio is also IP67 rated, which means that it's ingress protected against dust and water, so really good for use in those harsh Australian conditions. It's got an accessory port on the side here where you can connect speaker microphones and Vox microphones. The radio's also got class-leading scan speed, and it's even got an LED torch in the top of the radio. So simply press the top button and away you go. So now we'll go through the range of accessories that are supplied with the kit. We'll start off with the speaker microphone. So this is an IP67 rated speaker microphone, plugs straight into the side of the radio, and it's got a nice mechanical connection here to ensure that you've got a really solid connection to the radio. Moving on, we've got the desktop charger. If you're charging the radio at home before you're heading out, the desktop charger with a 240 volt mains connection is obviously your fastest way to charge. But if you wanted to charge the radio in the desktop charger while you're on the go, we've also got a cigarette lighter adapter, which will work with that same base. We've also got another charging option that comes in this kit, and it's something new to the range that we haven't actually had before. And it's this charging cradle. So it runs off your 12 volt cigarette lighter plug in your car, and it's got this great little charging cradle, which the radio sits in. It's a really solid connection. So if you're doing some more hardcore tracks or you're driving over some really rough corrugations, the radio's not going to come out. The cradle has got 2 mounting holes in the back, so you can screw the cradle into your vehicle, or if you don't want to damage the interior of your car, you can just apply some double-sided tape to mount the cradle. One of the other innovative new accessories that we supply in this kit is a magnetic mounting bollard. So the way that works is you slide the factory belt clip off the back of the radio and replace it with this magnetic bollard. That then enables you to mount the radio on your vehicle on the supplied mounting clip. We've done some extensive testing with this setup in some really harsh conditions, and it's a super solid connection, so you can be sure that the radio is not going to fall out of the mounting clip. The final component in the car kit is a replacement antenna. So this is great if you're out on the highways and you need a little bit more transmission distance than the standard antenna will supply. This antenna here has got a magnetic base in it. It will attach to any flat metal surface, ideally the roof of the vehicle. And the way this works is you simply unscrew the factory antenna from the radio and screw in the magnetic antenna using the supplied SMA connector. Screw that down, mount your radio on the dash, and then you've got a nice long cable to run the antenna out onto the roof. And that's it.